So what's up, guys? So today's gonna be another custom. It's gonna be how I custom these Vans. As you can see, they're really not too bad. These were beaters, like beaters. They were all white, so I decided to paint the toe box red with the mid panel a little bit of gray, and then the back tab black. And I also added a little bit of red right here on the line. I kept the midsoles the same just because I it's whatever. But if you guys want to see how I custom these Converse, just continue watching and let's get to it. So what's up, guys? So I'm gonna make these into the Bred colorways. So these are the only things that you need. You need your black paint. You also need your red paint, and also the GAG 900. And this is to mix it with the paint, so that it ends up sticking to this like fabric canvas material. And I also have some white right here. So what I end up doing is I'm gonna end up mixing the red. So this one's already pre-treated. I already did half black and then half of this solution. So it's a 1-to-1. So I ended up doing this right here. So this has a little bit of white and a little bit of the solution in here. So what I end up doing is I'm gonna end up adding just a little bit of, and this is fire red that I'm using too. You can get all these products in the Angelus website, and I'll have the links down below. So what I end up doing is adding just a little bit of red. So go ahead, you got some red. Now I'm about to put this on the side. I'm gonna open up the black just because I already have the mixture all together. I don't really need too much black, but I have it there. So now that I have the red, now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. So you see it's a little bit pinkish, so I'm gonna add just a little bit more red just to get that nice fire red color. So it's gonna be a little bit of like a pinkish, and then I'm gonna go over with the fire red. So you want to make sure that you add multiple layers, especially when you're using fabric material like this. Go ahead and add 2 to 3 layers, and as you can see, I ended up painting the back tab black as well as the tongue, just so it looks more factory. Then afterwards, you want to apply like a blow dryer, just so that it really sticks into the material. Because for that solution, for that GAG 900, in order for it to activate, you have to apply heat in order for it to stick into the material. So my next step is adding the gray colorway to the side panel, just so it gives it a little bit of pop. I personally like the type of gray that I went with. I didn't want it too dark, but then again I didn't want it too like light. I really wanted it to look like that Bred 4 colorway that has a little bit of gray, black, and red, and then the little accents of white. So then, while painting, I did get a little bit on the actual holes. So I want to make sure that I clean that up just a little bit. And for at least for the gray, I added at least about 3 to 4 layers just because I really wanted it to stick. Then I added a little bit of red to the back tab. There was like a little bit of a line that was there with the stitching. So I decided to be different and add a little bit of red just to make the red really stick out and pop. You want to make sure that as you're doing this, that you apply the blow dryer multiple times. Just like I said, that heat really activates the solution in order to stick. Plus you want the paint to dry fairly quickly, and you don't want it to like feel hard and stuff like that. So you want to make sure that you constantly apply the blow dryer as you're painting it. And as you see right here, I ended up painting the liner of the actual shoe. I was gonna dye the inside. I didn't really have enough time to do it, but I'll probably do it in a later video. But as of now, I just painted just the seams of the actual shoe, and I just painted it black. Kind of glad I ended up doing that instead, just because the white was already dingy, and like I said, the shoes were already beaters, so it wasn't really too bad in my opinion. What's up, guys? So other products that I used to customize these shoes would be down below, and honestly it came out pretty good. I did want to dye the insole black, but I'd probably do that in a later video. But so far I'm really pleased with how it came out. It's a nice varsity red kinda. I added some gray, I added some black, and then obviously I kept the white laces with the white lace holes. And overall I did want to dye the midsole, but I'm not sure if it'll work well with this rubber. But I figured I'll keep it white so it kind of looks like a normal pair of Vans. But overall it's really not too bad. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, if you guys think this came out good or not. And I'll probably do another custom in the next video.